everyone to please stand up for the prayer. Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord as we all say, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Mathematics is engaging. Students here are all amazing. Let's have a fun learning. But before that, let me greet you a good morning. Good morning, students! I am Teacher Jindy and I am your teacher for today's math class. But before we continue, let us have first our energizer. Are you ready, class? Alright. I hope everyone is energized. Are you energized, students? It's nice to hear that. But before you take your seat, please pick up the pieces of garbage on the floor and arrange your chairs properly. Okay, you may now take your seat. Mr. Secretary, may I know the absent for today? Very good. Since no one is absent, let us give ourselves 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Before we start our discussion, let us have first some recap about our last topic. What was our last topic all about? Yes, Christine. Okay. Our last topic was all about appropriate graphs to represent organized data. Very good, students. Thank you for that. Class, before we proceed to our discussion, let us have first a short game. Let's play 4 picks 1 word. Are you familiar with this game? Alright. Of course, in this game, 4 pictures will be presented and you are going to guess what those pictures tell. If you get the answer, please raise your right hand and do not answer in chorus. Am I understood, students? Okay, let's start. For the first picture, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who can give me the answer? Yes, Glenn. Very good. The answer is sum. For the next picture, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Who can guess the answer? Yes, Jason? Very good. It is average. For the third picture, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Yes, Junilisa? Very good. The third picture is middle. And for the last picture, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you can guess the answer? Oh, everyone is raising their hand. Seems like you already know the answer. What's the answer, students? Very good. It is frequent. Okay, what are the 4 words again? It is the sum, middle, average, and the frequent. In connection to our previous game, let us have an activity. Okay, I will group you into 2. Okay, count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, group 1 in the right side and group 2 in the left side. Okay, please form a small circle and please take your seats. Okay, I have here a set of pictures. The following picture shows an updated price list of fruits per kilo in Nanay Belen store. So I have here pineapple for 60 per kilo, mango for 100 per kilo, and banana for 60 per kilo, watermelon for 120 per kilo, strawberry for 480 per kilo, avocado for 130 per kilo, and the last one is grapes for 200 per kilo. So you are to do the following. So number 1, you are to arrange the set of prices in ascending order or from lowest to greatest. For the number 2, you are to find the average of the data. For the number 3, you are to encircle the middle price. And for the fourth one, you are to underline the price that appears most frequently. Am I understood, students? Okay, so group 1, here's your bond paper. Group 2, your bond paper. Okay, after 3 minutes, you are to paste your answers on the board. Am I understood? Okay, you may now start. Are you done, students? Okay, please paste your answers on the board. Does group 1 and group 2 have the same answer? Yes, very good. Group 1 and group 2 have the same answer. Okay, what did we do in our activity this morning? Yes, Cindy? Okay, we arrange the prices in ascending order or from lowest to greatest. So we have here 60, 60, 100, 120, 130, 200, and 480. What else did we do? Yes, Christine. Okay, we also get the average. How did we get the average? Yes, Jake. Okay, by adding all of the set of prices and dividing it by the number of values being added. That's right. And what is the average of the data? Yes, Jason? Okay, the average is 162.29. And what price appears to be in the middle? Yes, Clint. Okay, the price appears to be in the middle is 120. What price frequently appears? Yes, Johanna. Very good. The price that frequently appears is 60. You all did great in our activity class. So now, let us proceed to our discussion. Our topic for today is all about measures of central tendency for ungrouped data. But before we proceed, let us find out first what are our objectives. Everybody please read. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to, number 1, to define mean, median, and mode. Number 2, to be able to find the mean, median, and mode of a statistical data. And for the last one is to show appreciation to the value of mean, median, and mode in real life. So what is measures of central tendency? Everybody please read. Very good. So measures of central tendency or measure of central location is a summary of measure that attempts to describe a whole set of data with a single value that represents the middle or the center of its distribution. So in short, this is the measure that tells where the center of the data set is located. So there are 3 types of measures of central tendency. So we have mean, median, and the mode. So let us first tackle the mean. So what is the mean? So the mean is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. It is used to describe a set of data where the measure cluster or concentrate at a point. It is found by adding the values of the data and dividing it by the total number of the values of x. So when we speak of the average, we always refer to the mean. So this is the formula for getting the mean. So we have here x bar is equals to the summation of x divided by n, where the summation of x is the sum of all data and n is the total number of the values of x. So we have here an example. Everybody please read. 6 friends in a biology class receives test grades of 92, 84, 65, 76, 88, and 90. Let's find the mean of these test scores. So from the formula given, let us now try to analyze and then substitute the given values to the given formula. So again, what is the formula for getting the mean? Very good. X bar is equals to the summation of x divided by n. So let's now substitute. So we have x bar is equals to 92 plus 84 plus 65 plus 76 plus 88 and plus 90 divided by how many number of values of x? So 6. So divided by 6. Everybody please calculate. So we have 495 divided by 6 and the answer is very good, 82.5. Hence, the mean score of the 6 friends is 82. So let's have another example. So who wants to volunteer? Okay, yes. Reggie, come here in front. Okay, So here is the problem. So the ages of the 5 contestants in a statistic quiz B are the following: 18, 17, 18, 19, and 18. So find their average age. So everybody please, you can also solve. Okay, Reginald is done. So let's check his answer. Okay. Is Reginald's answer correct? Let's find out. So we have here the formula, which is x bar is equals to the summation of x divided by n. So we have the given, which is 18 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 18 is equals to 90, and divided by the total number of the values of x, which is 5, and it is equals to, everybody? Okay, 18. Therefore, the mean age of the 5 contestants in a statistic quiz B is equal to 18. Very good. Do you understand, class, on how to find the mean of the ungrouped data? Very good. Is there any question? Okay, let's proceed to the second measure of central tendency. So the second measure of central tendency is the median. What is the median? Okay, everybody please read. Very good. The median is denoted by MD. So the median is the middle value of the sample when the data are arranged in ascending or descending order. Always remember, class, that the median will either be a specific value or will fall between two values. Am I understood? Okay, so let's have an example. Please read. The number of books borrowed in the library from Monday to Friday last week were 58, 60, 54, 35, and 97 respectively. Find the median. But before we find the median, let us always remember the first rule in finding the median. First is, we are to arrange the number from ascending or from descending order. Then, we are to find the middle of the value. Am I understood, class? Okay, so what are the values given? Yes, we have 58, 60, 54, 35, and 97. Now, we can arrange the number from ascending order. Yes, Cedric? Okay, thank you. Are the numbers now arranged in ascending order? Okay, now who can give me the middle number? Yes, Nina. Very good. The middle number is the 58. So class, what have you observed in our data sample? Okay, very good. Our data sample is an odd sample since there are only 5 samples. So always remember that when we have an odd sample, the median is always in the center. Since we have an odd sample, the middle value of the data set is 58. Very good. So for the second example, we have, everybody please read. Francine's quizzes for the second quarter are 8, 7, 6, 10, 9, 9, 5, 6, 10, and 7. Find the median. So what is the first rule again? Very good. Arrange the scores in ascending or descending order, then find the middle value. Very good. Who can arrange the data in ascending order? Yes, Joanna. Are the data now arranged in ascending order? Very good. Now who can give me the middle number? Yes, Chloe. Very good. It is number 7. Oh, another hand. Reginald. Yes. Also, number 8. What have you observed in our data sample, class? Alright, our data sample is even. And there are 2 middle number. Since the middle point falls halfway between 7 and 8, in order to get the median, we need to get the mean of these 2 values. So again, who can remember the formula in getting the mean? Yes, Rina? Very good. It is x bar is equals to the summation of x divided by n. Very good. What are the two middle numbers again? Okay, it is 7 and 8. So now let us solve. 7 plus 8 divided by 2 equals 2. What is the answer? Very good, 7.5. So the median in this problem is 7.5. Class, always remember that if we have an odd sample, the median is directly in the middle. But if we have an even sample, we need to get the mean of the two middle number. Am I understood? Okay. So class, do you understand on how to find and solve the median of an ungrouped data? Okay. Is there any question? Very good. Let us now move on to the next measure of central tendency. So the last measure of central tendency is the mode. Everybody please read what is the mode? Very good. The mode is the measure or value which occurs most frequently in a set of data. It is the value with the highest frequency. So always remember that a data can have more than one mode or none at all. So to find the mode of a set of data, we are to consider the following. Please read. Number 1. Select the measures that appears most often in a set. Number 2. If two or more measures appears in the same number of times, then each of the values is a mode. So number 3. If every measure appears the same number, then the set has no mode. So the following is the type of mode. So number 1 is no mode. A data having equal frequency or observation. So number 2 is unimodal. If the data set has only one value that occurs most often. So number 3 is the bimodal. A data set has two values that occurs with the same greatest frequency. Next one is the trimodal. A set of data that has three values that occurs with the same greatest frequency. And the last one is the multimodal. When a set of data has more than three values that occurs with the same greatest frequency. Three or more, I mean. Again, what are the types of mode? We have no mode, unimodal, bimodal, trimodal, and multimodal. Very good. Okay, let's have an example. So here, find the mode of the following data. So we have here the data, 76, 81, 79, 80, 78, 83, 77, 99, 82, and 75. Again, what are we gonna do first? Very good. We are to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So we have here 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79, 80, 81, 82, and 83. So, who can give me the number which appears most frequently? Yes, Jake. Okay, very good. In the above data set, the number 79 appears twice, but all other number appears only once. Since 79 appears with the greatest frequency, then it is the mode of the set of data. Very good. And so, what is 79? Is it it is unimodal, bimodal, trimodal, or multimodal? Very good. It is unimodal. Okay, we have here example number 2. Who wants to answer? Yes, Nina. Okay. The ages of 12 randomly selected customers of Cafe 8020 are listed below. It is 23, 21, 29, 24, 31, 21, 27, 23, 24, 32, 33, and 19. So Nina, please write it in ascending order. Are you through? Okay. So what number appears most frequently, Nina? Okay. In the above data set, the number 21, 23, and 24 appears twice. Since this tree appears with the greatest frequency, then it is the mode of the data value. Thank you, Ninya. You now take your seat. And what mode do we call this? Yes? Cedric? Very good. It is trimodal because there are 3. If it is 4 or more, what is it? Very good. It is multimodal. Is everything clear, class? Okay, very good. So there's no question, so let's have a recap. So what are the measures of central tendency? Yes, Christian? Very good. It is the mean, median, and the mode. And what is the formula in finding the mode? Yes, Christine? Okay, very good. X bar is equals to the summation of x divided by n. And what is the rule in finding the median and mode? Yes, Chloe? Alright. It is arrange the data in ascending or descending order. And what are the types of mode? Yes, Cindy? No mode? Another one? Unimodal? Yes, another hand? Bimodal? Next one? Trimodal? And the last one is multimodal. Very good, students. I think you are all now ready for the activity. Are you ready? I am confident that you already understood our discussion for today. So let us have a group activity. So please go to your respective groups. Group 1 in the right side and group 2 in the left side. Okay? Please take your seats. Okay. Direction. Perform your assigned task. Collect the data from your group mates and ask the following questions. And you are to record the data. Do it in 5 minutes. So remember, I will be the one choosing your reporter. So please, everyone, please cooperate with your group mates. Okay, group 1, here's your activity card. And for group 2, here's your activity card. Okay, you may now start. Okay, time's up. Please paste your answers on the board. Okay, thank you. Group 1. Okay, Rose, you report your group work. Okay, so for the group 1, they are to collect and write the shoe sizes of their group mates. So they have the following data, which is 35, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 41, and 43. So what is the mean? Okay, the mean is 38.3. So what is the median? Okay, very good. The median is 38 as well. And for the mode, we have, 38. And it is unimodal. Very good, group 1. Let's proceed to group 2. Yes, Joanna, you present. Okay. Okay. So for the group 2, they are to collect and write the weight of their group mates. So we have the following data. 36, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 47, and 50. So what is the mean? Okay, very good. The mean is 42.9. How about the median? Okay, the median is 43. How about the mode? Alright, there are 2 modes, 43 and 44. So what do you call the 2 modes? Very good, bimodal. Very good. Group 1 and Group 2, you received 20 points. Okay, please go back to your proper seats. And now, we will have an individual activity. So, please read the direction for test 1. Find the mean, median, and mode of the following sets of ungrouped data. So, please get a one whole sheet of paper. Okay. For the test 2, as a student, why do you think your knowledge in finding the mean, median, and mode is important? Identify a real-life scenario wherein you can relate your knowledge about the mean, median, and mode, and write your answers into 3 to 5 sentences. Okay, am I understood, students? Alright, you may now start. Okay, time's up! Please exchange your papers with your seatmates. Okay, let's check. For the number 1, we have the mean. The mean is 30.71. Very good. For the median, we have 34. And for the mode, we have no mode. Let's move on to number 2. What is the mean? Yes, Christian. Very good. The mean is 10.18. How about the median? Very good. The median is 9. And how about the mode? Yes, Rose? The mode is 9. Very good. Let's move on to number 3. What is the mean of the data? Yes, Jake. The mean is 18.27. How about the median? Yes, Mila. Okay, the median is 18. And how about the mode? Yes, Mila again. 12 and 18. Very good. And it is bimodal. So for the number 4, last number. So what is the mean? The mean is 35.25. How about the median? Yes, Zakara. Very good. The median is 35. And how about the mode? Yes, Zavia. Okay, the mode is 45. Very good, students. For the test 2, I will be the one checking that one. So please pass your papers in front.
For your assignment, please copy what is on the board.
Are you through copying your assignments? Okay. Please take your seats and arrange your chairs properly. Okay, class. What have you learned in our today's lesson? Yes, Janella. Very good. Another hand. Yes, Riley. Very good. And for the last one, we have Bless. Okay, very good, class. You really learned something from our lesson for today. So it was an ordinary day turned into an amazing one. Thank you, amazing students. Truly, mathematics is engaging and students here are all amazing. Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.